I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making oven-baked chicken cutlets. This chicken cutlet recipe is very healthy. They're not breaded, so if you're watching your diet, this is a perfect recipe for you. It's low carb and it's so easy to make and so flavorful. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For this recipe, we need chicken cutlets, olive oil, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you like. And I line my baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So now I'm going to season the chicken, so I'm just going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, so it helps keep chicken moist. And now I'm going to sprinkle the seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and now I'm going to flip the chicken over and season the other side, so I can also rub it to distribute the oil and seasoning evenly. And now let's flip. And season the chicken on the other side. So again, I'll drizzle a little bit of olive oil. And sprinkle with my seasonings. So salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And rub the seasonings and oil in. And now let's put chicken cutlets on a baking sheet. And now I'll put it in the oven. So again, the oven is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's put chicken in the oven and bake. Now the chicken cutlets have been baking for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. So because they're so thin, they cook real quickly. And I do recommend using the instant beat thermometer to measure the internal temperature. So for chicken breast, it should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, they're ready. So if they're not ready, you can return them to the oven for another 5 minutes or so until they're done, because if they're thicker, they would take longer to cook. But look at these chicken cutlets. They're perfectly cooked, takes just 15 minutes. Super easy. The oven does all the work, and they're so healthy, so delicious. You will love it. So easy to make. Now let me just take them off the baking sheet and put them on a plate. Perfect. Looks so good. Now let's try these chicken cutlets. I'm so excited about trying them. So let me just cut the piece. So they're perfectly cooked. Cut so easily. They're so delicious. Perfectly seasoned, tender, moist and juicy chicken cutlets. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!